Hey Diva Dolls, this is Crystal Chanel and I am back with another video. Now, today I partnered with Myfirstwigs and y'all, can we just get into this? This is Bob season, okay? And y'all know I am all about protective styling. So, if you want to see what it is that I did to get this look, stay tuned.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls, them I come, them I want, them I take up. Batman, me I come in, me I wanna take up.
Okay, dolls, so this is the wig fresh out the box. You can see the layers there, and the lace is transparent. And my hair has been natural, y'all. I'm trying to get my hair to grow to my butt. So I love protective styles, and when I do wigs, I usually like to treat my hair a couple of days after, so I don't do anything that's too evasive. In fact, as you can see, I just have my hair twisted down in two after it's freshly washed. Now this is the box. This is how it comes. So a cute little box. You can keep everything in. If you wanted to throw away the box, they have a cute package. So basically everything I'm showing you is what comes with your wig. So you have elastic bands, you have your pouch to store your hair, you have some clips, an elastic band that again you can sew on, a comb, a wig cap. They get you going, girl. So as you can see here, I have the wig. I'm showing you the combs. I think this is pretty secure. I don't do anything additional with the elastic band. I just secure my wig when I put it on with what's here, which is the comb, and I tighten it. So I'm just putting on the wig cap. This wig cap is light colored. You do choose when you pick your wig. You can also use your own foundation if you want to give it more of your skin tone to make it more flesh-like. So I'm just putting the wig on for the first time. I just want to see, you know, how it fits, if I should tighten it with the straps in the back some more. I love these knots, y'all. Like, the knots come pre-bleached, so you don't have to bleach them again, and it comes pre-plucked. Y'all, look at this hairline. Like, it looks so good. And I'm seeing here how it looks, and I just adore it. Obviously, you can see where the under cap is. So, again, I didn't want to do any glue. I just wanted to try to protect my edges, so I'm going to slide this back a little. And I'm going to use those clips that came with this wig, and I'm just gonna put the wig on like normal, but I secured my cap down with those bobby pins. So it's real comfortable in the back. My head never hurts. I never get a headache, but I did slide my cap back just so my natural hairline is out. So when my wig sits on my natural hairline, it looks really good. You can't see the actual wig cap underneath. Now I'm just putting these combs in the wig cap. As you see that bobby pin, that's how I secured it back there. But I don't like for this to pull my hair too much. Back in the day, I didn't really pay attention to that, and I pulled out my edges. So be careful when you do secure that comb. As you can see, the wig is pretty secure, y'all. So I haven't glued anything down, and as you can see here, I'm just going to use these side tabs. I'm going to pay close attention to that, and I'm actually going to use some Got2b glue. So I like to lift my wig up just a little just to show you dolls where I'm going to be placing this Got2b glue, and I like using the yellow one because I think I have better control over it. A shout out to my big brother and my little niece Mimi and my little nephew Tristan. Everyone's here for the holidays, y'all, so they just popped up while I was recording. But anyways, back to the hair. So I put on a thin layer already. I let it get tacky, and now I'm adding a second thin layer. Again, this is not glue. This is called Got2b glue, and I like it because I can rinse it off fairly easy, and it does not damage my edges. Ooh, who is this? Hey, Courtney. I'm recording, girl. It's my baby sister. Isn't she beautiful, y'all? Now, this is her natural hair. She has a natural bob, and she was like, girl, look at that hair, though. I was like, you know what? Give me about 10 minutes. I'm about to be slaying, too. That's one thing I love about these wigs, dolls, is that they're inexpensive, and it's a great way to change your hairstyle without having to really commit. So, I wanted a short bob after seeing my sister's hair, and here I go. So now that the got2b glue is actually tacky, I'm just using the back of a comb to lay down my hair, and I use a scarf for about 5 minutes just to really get it nice and flat and secure. Ooh, I'm actually feeling this look. I might actually rock this. Now, this is the end result. I think that looks so good, y'all. Again, this is not glue. This is just gel that is really strong. I did not use a blow dryer. As you can see, everything looks really good as far as the parts. It's pretty deep. I strongly recommend it. I might even put some concealer on my part so that where my cap is shown, it's blended. But this wig, y'all, this wig comes very nice. Now, the reason I say that is because when I do actual wigs myself and I have to cut them and all of that, it takes a while, and sometimes my layers do not come out great. So I love that this wig came pre-layered. I love that it's cut in a bob. It also had a bump to it already, but I want to give it more of like a curl. So I'm using this curling iron. I will put the details to everything down below, but this particular curling iron I love because it's really a big bumper and it gives me a perfect bump to these short layers. So I love how this looks. Do y'all see that layer in the back? I think it looks so pretty, y'all. I love the hairline. I love that I have a little side hair in front of my ear. I think this look is so chic. And just look at how natural it looks. There you go, your girl is done. So this look is really versatile. What you can actually do is, again, put concealer right there on the part if you wanted to blend it with your cap. But I love how bouncy this hair is. I love the sheen of it. The cut is so pretty. I literally can just toss my hair around, and the way that it falls is sexy. You can wear this hair up in the middle. You can wear it in a ponytail. This hair is versatile, and I just love it because it's off my neck. And that's it, y'all. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you've tried a short wig and what you thought about it down below.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls, them I come, them I want them.
Okay, dolls. So again, that is it. This look was specifically for the fall. I adore bobs. I think they are so on trend. They are so chic. They are so girly, and they are easy to maintain. You dolls know I am on this natural hair journey, so it's a great protective style. And again, I really don't have enough positive things to say about this wig because I think it's really cute and adorable. And y'all saw my family. They are so cute, right? I love them. But long story short is my sister is rocking her natural bob, so this is a way to really change up your look without having to commit. Okay, so Myfirstwigs is not super expensive. I say go ahead, girlfriend, check them out. I will be sure to put any coupon codes that I can find as well down below in the box. And that is it. I adore Myfirstwigs. In fact, if you've ever used Myfirstwigs, leave a comment down below. Let us know how your experience was, because the girls want to know. Okay, and if you don't follow this channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. I need you guys to go ahead and subscribe to this channel as well as my fitness and vlog channels, and I'll put all those details down below in the box as well. So one more thing, if y'all don't follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat, be sure that you do that, and my name is @ChryssyTheDoll. So again, dolls, thank you so much for your support, and as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.